How to save WhatsApp photos in gallery. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp on a device. Now simply open up the chat. Now tap on the download option on the photo you want to save. Now to save it into your gallery, simply open up the photo. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now a pop-up menu will appear. Now to save the photo, simply tap on the save button. Now once you tap on save, go back to the home screen. Now open up your gallery. Now open up the photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.